Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to use the find formula in Excel. Well, what does the find formula do? Well, it goes inside a cell and from there finds out the position of a given character. Like if I want to find the position of E in this cell, then the first position of E over here is 4. See, L-I-F-E. E is in the fourth position. In case you are searching for repeated values, it will not give you the repeated values easily. There is a different way of getting that. And this is a case sensitive formula. So in case like G is at value 9, if I make it uppercase G, then it gives a error because it was not able to find it. But a lowercase g, which is there, it was able to find it easily. All right. Now, anything which is not there will not show up. Like if I mention Z over here, sorry, Z is a error because there is no Z mentioned over here. Now, G returned the answer 9 over here. Also, it is returning the answer 9. But over here, I is returning answer 2, which is correct. But over here, I is returning answer 6. Also, as in the I over here. How did I do it? Well, I'll teach you all of this. Let's start. So how do we apply the find formula? Find, we type that in and it says find text. What text to find? Well, this is the text we want to find, comma, within which text? Well, within this. And we'll come to start number later and close the bracket. The answer is 4. It found the first lowercase e at number 4, LIFE 1, 2, 3, 4. Same. Let's try it again. Is equal to FIND. It says returns the starting position of one text string within another text string. Find is case sensitive. Find. Now I can type in this value also G, comma, within this text. Close the bracket. 9 is equal to find this over here. It was not there. Now let's try learn how to do repeat. Let me copy this and I'll teach you repeat. So G9, G9, all right. I2, I2. Now, how do I find the second I? It is at position 6. To do that, I'll type in is equal to find what text I, of course, somewhere here, of course. Now, you get this option start number. That means you can give it a relative position to start. Like I want to say start after cell number 3. All right. So it will ignore any I written in the first two letters or first three letters and will start looking for I after cell number 3. So comma 3, close the bracket and you get the answer 6. All right. But this is a difficult way because you never know where, if you're looking for duplicate values. So you might not be knowing where is the first I written. So I have to write greater than 3 or greater than 6. So there is one more way. I love that way. Okay, let me apply it over here. Okay, is equal to find this text, comma, within this text, comma. Now the start number. See what I'll do. I will use another find formula over here. Find this text. Sorry. Type it again. Is equal to find this text, comma, in this text, comma, and the start number should be to find the start number. Let us identify the first find. So the character I need to search is this one. So this is D12. So D12, comma, within text, this one, and close the bracket. Oh, I need to give it one value which is +1. That's it. Because it will find where the second I is, all right, and add 1 to it so that it will start looking from the next number onwards. So what I did was I typed in the find formula, and to tell it from where to look, I used another find formula and told it to look for the first thing and add 1 to it so that when the original find formula starts looking, it looks from number 3 onwards. So you get your answer. So this is how you use the find formula. It's an amazing thing to work with. Is basically used with VLOOKUP, with if formula and all that. Amazing thing, amazing thing. So this is how you use the find formula. See you in the next video.